In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to kill switch on Surfshark. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and what it does, so you can keep your connection protected if your VPN drops unexpectedly. A kill switch is a safety feature that blocks internet traffic the moment your VPN disconnects, preventing your real IP address from being exposed. It's especially useful on public Wi-Fi, during travel, or anytime you want consistent privacy without having to watch the connection like a hawk. Start by opening the Surfshark app on your desktop. Once the app launches, you'll see the main dashboard where you normally connect to a server. We're not focusing on server selection today. We're heading straight to the controls that manage how your connection behaves behind the scenes. Look to the left panel in the app interface and open Settings. This section holds the key preferences that shape how Surfshark works on your device. If you've never explored it before, it's where you control features related to privacy, connectivity, and behavior when the VPN status changes. Inside Settings, click on VPN Settings. This is the area dedicated to how the VPN itself connects, reconnects, and responds to changes. It's the logical place for options that affect your privacy in real time. Now, enable the kill switch option. You'll typically see a toggle you can turn on. Once it's enabled, Surfshark will block internet access on your device anytime the VPN connection unexpectedly drops. That means no data slips through unprotected, and your identity and location stay concealed until the VPN reconnects successfully. You may notice the toggle change color or a brief confirmation inside the app, indicating the feature is active. A couple of helpful notes as you use it. With kill switch on, if you intentionally disconnect your VPN, your internet will pause too. That's normal and by design. If you need to browse without the VPN, you can simply turn the kill switch off temporarily, then re-enable it when you're ready for full protection again. Think of it as a privacy guardrail, always there to catch you if the connection hiccups. And that's all you need. Open the Surfshark app on your desktop, go to Settings on the left panel, click VPN Settings and enable kill switch. It's a small change that makes a big difference in keeping your data safe. If you found this helpful, set it once and leave it on so you don't have to think about it again. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more secure browsing experience with Surfshark.